Hey everybody, this is Michael, your friendly neighborhood financial coach. Hey, I want to update you all on some things that I've been speaking with a few clients about in the past and how important it is for us to really look at how we spend our money, even when it comes to those who want to get cars and go ahead and get loans. Let's break it down in this fashion. I want to talk about two variants when it comes to your car. A lot of people look at, hey, should I get a new vehicle now that this old one, the repairs are too high, or should I fix the vehicle? Now let's look at this. I just want to look at the two actual aspects of your vehicle value. Most people see vehicles as a place to get point A to point B. The other aspect is using a vehicle for business. Most people use vehicles as a liability and not an asset. We'll learn more about that for those who take my workshops or come to my online classes. Nonetheless, a vehicle is mostly used these days as a liability. Therefore, you are spending money on a month-to-month basis on an item that doesn't add value to your life. So therefore, people will get a loan and pay hundreds of dollars a month for several years for an item that doesn't bring them anything in their pocket when it comes to cash value. But we look at the other aspect of a vehicle repair. Some repairs won't cost more than $2,000 or $3,000 at most, from what I've heard in the past. So now we're looking at, do I want to get an entirely new loan for $10, $15, $20, and sometimes even $30,000 and pay hundreds of dollars more than what I was paying before over 5, 6, 7 years? I've seen this in people's lives. Or should I get a vehicle repair, get a small loan for a few $1,000s and pay that off maybe for a year or a year and a half very quickly? Let's look at the numbers of the whole picture. Okay, so let's say you get a vehicle and it's worth $20,000 and you want to have a good payment on it. However, your credit is not as good as you thought it was. So they go ahead and say, hey, you need a $500 down payment and we'll go ahead and finance the vehicle for as long as they can, which is in most cases 7 years. So over 7 years period of time and at a 15% interest rate due to your credit score, they will calculate your vehicle payment to be estimated about $413 a month. That's on the good side with the $500 down payment, and I'll use the local sales tax here for this particular example. I didn't include any extra fees or any other costs that comes with financing the vehicle. So in essence, you'll be paying a total of $34,690 over the life of this 7-year vehicle loan, which adds no value to your financial condition. Now let's look at how much you're paying principal. Well, basically you're paying $21,401 on the principal payment, and you'll be paying $13,289 to the financing company that gave you the money to get this car. Okay, now let's look at the other end and say if we just wanted to get a financing for the repairs. The repairs, let's say they cost $3,000. You get a small loan for that from any particular local lender or even some peer-to-peer lenders online, and you want to go ahead and finance that repairs, the total repairs, what you have to do, and let's say it costs you roughly $3,000, and they'll charge you 15% interest rate. And you can easily determine how much you want to pay every month by downloading a very simple loan calculator app on your phone. But nonetheless, for a financing of 2 years on this personal loan, and they'll have a payment of $145 a month for 24 months. And then we'll know how much goes toward principal amount and interest amount until the loan is paid off. In essence, you'll be paying back this loan in a total amount of $3,491. That means you paid $491 in interest to this company compared to the thousands of dollars you paid back for the vehicle over time. Now, we know that there may be other fees included in this particular loan, such as processing fees, admin fees, and whatever other costs they add to it. Nonetheless, you're still saving a significant amount of money when it comes to keeping the car and repairing the vehicle instead of getting a brand new one or new to you. So we just want to update everyone on what's really going on when we look at our finances. And I just want to give you this easy tip to look at what's really worth the vehicle replacing or repairing. Thank you once again. This is Michael Morrow, your friendly neighborhood financial coach. Hope you had a great day. Be blessed.